In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a folder in Google Colab. So the first thing you want to do, you will have to find a folder on your computer. And for this instance, I just made a tutorial folder over here in my file explorer. And then the first thing you're going to want to do is you will have to zip it. So the way you do this is you can right click on it and then you hover over compress to, and then you click on zip file. And then what this will do, there we go, it will create a zip file for that specific folder. So that's going to be the first step. Now, the second step is you want to go ahead and then you want to go to your Google Colab over here. And then in here, you want to, of course, add some code because there's no direct way of doing this. You will have to add some code in. So in here, click on plus code, and then this window will appear. In here, what you're going to want to do is you want to type in from, and then google.colab, and then you're going to do import. And then after you do import, you want to type in files, okay? So just do it like this, files, there we go. And then in the second row, you want to type in uploaded, there we go. And then equals, so spacebar equals, spacebar, files dot upload, and then empty brackets, okay? So just like this. And then once you've done that, you want to click on this little play button over here. And then once that's done processing over here in just a few seconds, when this connects, you'll be able to then upload some files. There we go. So it says choose files, no files chosen. So you'll have to click choose files. And then you're going to have to go and find your zip file like this. So here's my zip folder. You're going to have to press open, and then this will basically upload your folder, as you can see over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.